I can make money from, I can make money from, I can make money from the comfort of my sofa. So much drive, so much drive, so much drive. Now I gotta get a chauffeur. From the comfort of my sofa. So much drive, now I gotta get a chauffeur. One day I'll be big, but I know I'm getting closer. Call me Denzel, aka Big O. The world in my hands, cause I took it off the shoulder. Money on my feet, you know I got it from low. I'm ballin' like Mike when you see him on a poster. Like, yeah, they got a big one in my holster. Straight. Go around and catch a hot one to your temple. But the number on my front door. Go around and catch a hot one to your team. Got a new chain, what you think I bought the strap for?
ja kõlab tantsijatele väärine aplaus. Nii rahva, aitäh Bertram stuudiole.